If your EPSON surecolor F170 has been clogging up and you need to, for whatever reason, remove the printhead and soak it into printhead cleaning solution or whatever you use, follow this step so you can get the printhead out of here. I didn't find any videos anywhere on YouTube, nothing on Reddit. I figured it out, so I'm going to show you now. Now that your printer is off, we need to unlock the gantry for the printhead. So the way we're gonna do that is come to the gear, the very last gear connected to the shaft, all the way over here. We're gonna push it our way, or I guess pull it, and do it just enough where you're like, okay, that's enough, and then pull it. There you go, that should be free. And then it's very important that you put a piece of cloth, paper towel, because it will leak. It might leak. Very possible. Now that our piece of cloth is right under the head, what we're gonna do is remove this black tab right here. You just want to put your finger right under and push. Perfect. And to remove the hoses, just be nice and gentle. They're very flexible, so you won't break them, but still be gentle. Pop them off. And now these bad boys. I want to put them down here, back here, so they're not in the way. Here you can see my red is messing up. There's a clog somewhere. So instead of running a cleaning kit that didn't work, I want to remove the whole thing and soak it, at least the printhead, the bottom part, in some cleaning solution. Okay, to further disassemble and get access to 2 more screws so we can get the printhead off, we need to get rid of this piece. It has 2 tabs. I have not found a way to get the left one off without being weird about it. You'll see what I mean. And then on the right, you'll be fine with a screwdriver, a pin, or anything that can be small enough. Maybe your fingernail is good. This is the tab. It should go right, and then it should pop off. Okay, and for the second clip, right here, you want to use a pin or something small. Push it in, and there you go. Now I'm gonna remove the 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. With the screws removed, you should be able to just lift it up. And there you go. Now printhead is out. There is a ribbon cable right here. We just need to remove that. So I just pulled the ribbon. I did not put a lot of strength to it, and it came out pretty easy. I'm gonna clean this now pretty good. See if I can get it going now.